Hey guys, and welcome back to IAmBeautifulHustlerTV. If you are new to my channel, just go ahead and click that subscribe button now and turn on your bells because you do not want to miss any of the new posts I will be uploading this week and every other week after this. Now today I will be styling this curly wig, and today's hair was provided by BLY, and this actually stands for Beauty, Love, and Youth. And they sent over this beautiful, gorgeous curly wig, and I didn't have to do any plucking to this wig whatsoever. It was pre-plucked to the T, and all I had to do was bleach the knots, and I'm going to get ready to install this wig on my little sister today. So stay tuned to this video, and yeah, keep watching. So as you can see, as I mentioned, this wig was already pre-plucked, and this is what this wig looked like just after bleaching the knots and adding the foundation color underneath the lace. And I also added that foundation color on top of that cap as well, as you guys know from my previous videos. And now I'm just going to go in with my 4 layers of this Bold Hold active glue. And you just want to make sure you spread that glue out very nice and like smooth as possible. That way it can allow the glue to dry clear, and once it dries clear, you can begin to add your next layer. And this step is just, repetition. Just repeat the same steps up to, 5 layers. Some people even say they use 7 layers. So it's just really your preference and how long you want that wig to be able, to hold on to your head. So yeah, use as many layers as you like. And once that glue dries clear, you can begin to pull your lace down into your glue. Once you have pulled that lace down into that glue, you can now go in with your blow dryer, and make sure you are using the warm to hot setting on your blow dryer, and just blow dry that lace in as your client holds that lace down. And also go in with your tail comb or a comb in general, and just continue to comb that lace straight back while still applying that heat to it. And as I always mention, when it comes to applying your glue and cutting off the extra lace, just make sure you have the glue, you apply your glue in the same shape as the person's hairline. That way, when it's time to cut off the extra lace, you know exactly what you need to cut off and everything like that. And that way you don't have to worry about the lace being too far down and, those type of situations like that. So once you get that lace, mostly glued down, just cut off that extra lace and cut off anything that you feel should be removed, especially right here on this side. As you guys can see, I cut it back some more instead of just gluing what was lifting. But now I'm just going to go in with that Bold Hold on the end of my rat tail comb and just, apply that glue in all of the places that is still lifting. And once you do one side, you just want to repeat the same steps to the other side. And then we will get down to the second step of the melting process. So now that I have completely tacked down in front of this lace wig, I'm just going to go ahead and I parted off a section in the back of the lace to where her bottom braid is. And I'm just going to take my needle and thread and just sew down the back of the lace. This is a lace front, but I still sew down the back. Or if you want, you can just secure it with the little scraps that usually come inside and a comb. It's just really your preference, what you prefer. But I am going to sew down the back of the wig from one side to the other, and then I will actually go in with that bed head hairstyling spray. And this is the one I just introduced to you guys on my channel. It's the extra strength one. It's not the one you see me typically use, which is in the blue can. This one is actually the stronger hold to the one in the blue can, and it's in a silver can. And I will just go ahead and spray that on the hairline from left to right, comb back the hair from the hairline, and then go ahead and secure it with my Beautiful Hustler melt belt. Now that you have let the hairline dry completely underneath that melt belt, whether you blow dry, set them underneath the dryer, or did it yourself, I just had to slow this section down right here because I really wanted y'all to see like how the melt belt really gets that lace melted into the skin. And it's literally like on the wet lace type of tip. So just go ahead after you watch this video, just take your time out to purchase one of my melt belts. They are only $5 and they really get the job done. Like, I don't know who other channels you guys watch, but if you really want to get technical, like this is a technique that I introduced to YouTube. And you know, a lot of people don't give me the credit for my techniques, but it's cool because your girl still gonna be blessed anyway. But yes, purchase your melt belts on the website, and it will be, you know, down in the description box, my website and how to order and where to order and everything like that. And yeah, get you a melt belt, secure your lace, get it melted and everything like that. Super easy to use. It does give you a tight compression, but that compression does really get that lace melted into your skin. And you know, I just want to say, guys, stay tuned for 2020 because I got some things that's coming and dropping that y'all is gonna be like, yes, sister girl. But moving right along, once you do remove that melt belt, just go in with some, you know, wax and begin to hot comb out the roots, because as I always mention, hot comb out the roots, whether the wig is straight, curly, or wavy, just to give it that really, really nice pressed and neat type of look. I'm just going to do like light baby hairs only in the center. I'm not going to do baby hairs throughout the whole hairline because we just really want like a nice, natural, puffy look. And I'm also going to just add some layers to the front of this wig as well to pretty much like shape and frame the face like once this hair is completely wet and everything like that. But in the meantime, right now my focus is just getting those roots nice and pressed out, and you know, just going in with that bed head hairstyling spray and just shaping and molding the top to look how I want it to look. And then once I get that shape and molded, you know, I will apply some of that mousse. And for today, I did use that Apple G mousse. I usually use the Nairobis. It really isn't a difference. It's just whichever one I grab first. But I am using that Apple G's mousse today. And I will apply that to the hair as I'm doing now. And just using my fingers and just, you know, combing that mousse into the hair. And once I get it saturated pretty well, I will go in with my razor comb and just razor the front in an angle that way. And you will see it later on at the end of this tutorial when she wears her hair up completely. It will give it more of a framed look and more of a natural look, actually. Like, it looks really, really, really dope. You will see that at the end of this tutorial. But yes, I'm just going to frame her face and, you know, just do like some mousse light baby hairs towards the front and, you know, conceal the part. And what I did not do in this video this time, I did not use any black spray. I just used concealer only, pretty much because the part was already like close together, thinned out, and it wasn't like no over bleached knots or anything like that. So I just felt like the black spraying part wasn't necessary, especially because the wig was really full as well in the parting area. So I just only went in with that concealer to, like, you know, widen the part up a little bit and just give it that really straight, you know, crispy type of look. So now that I applied this mousse and I'm fluffing this hair out, I'm just going to take that razor and just go down in that angle. And yeah, so stay tuned and wait for the finishing results and let me know what you guys think at the end of this video.